Tara, ipagpatuloy natin ang ating pag-review sa word analogy. Dahil continuation ito, pang-apat na tayo. A is the same thing as B but more extreme. This is based upon degree. So, mas matindi. Yung hurt ay mas matindi sa toss, kaya ang pinakatamang sagot ay letter A. Ang shout ay mas matindi sa speak. More word pairs for this analogy form. Mas matindi ang pour kaysa drizzle, mas matindi ang rout kaysa detest, mas matindi ang laugh kaysa giggle. Dumako naman tayo sa ikalima na analogy form. A is a part of B. One is a component of the other. For example, note is a component or part of a scale, kaya ang pinakatamang sagot ay letter C. Letter is a component or part of an alphabet. More word pairs of this analogy form. Page is a component of book, verdict is a component of trial, verse is a component or part of a song. Pang-anim na tayong analogy form. A is a type of B. One thing is a more particular kind of the more general idea. For example, ballad is a particular idea for a general idea of song, kaya ang tamang sagot ay letter D. Portrait is a particular idea for a general idea of painting.